There's a surprising amount of chemistry that goes into making sweets. Here are just a couple of my favourites. Popping candy looks pretty ordinary, but pop this sugary delight in your mouth and it's anything but. The ingredients aren't that unusual: water, sugar, corn syrup and flavourings. You take all these ingredients, you mix them together and you heat them up. The sugar dissolves and you keep on boiling until all the water has evaporated and you're left with a gooey syrup. Then you pump 600 pounds per square inch of carbon dioxide gas into the syrup. As the sugary mixture cools and hardens, it becomes brittle and the high pressure shatters the mixture into tiny shards we know as popping candy. But some of the carbon dioxide is encapsulated inside, and when your warm saliva melts the sugar, the gas is released and creates a popping sensation. If you crush some popping candy, you can hear this. This is similar to dry ice or solid carbon dioxide. This sublimes, which means it goes straight from a solid to a gas, missing out the liquid phase. And if you compress dry ice, you can hear the carbon dioxide gas squealing as it rapidly expands. Sherbet is another of my favourite sweets, crammed with chemistry. Around the end of the 19th century, chemists discovered that a mixture of tartaric acid, bicarbonate of soda and plenty of sugar fizzed when added to water. Sherbet powder was born, and throughout the 20th century it featured in many sweets. It's so easy to make your own sherbet using food-grade acids, alkalis and sugar. You'll only need 3 ingredients. For the acid, we're using citric acid, that's found in citrus fruits. You can buy this online or in the high street, as it's used to alter the acidity when you make wine. We'll need an alkali, we're using bicarbonate of soda, or baking soda, the thing that makes your cakes rise. To make everything taste a little more palatable, we'll add a fair amount of icing sugar to mask the bitterness of the citric acid and the soapiness of the bicarbonate of soda. You'll need 1 flat teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. You'll need 1 heaped teaspoon of citric acid, and you'll need 3 of icing sugar. Give them all a really good mix and try it. The fizzing on your tongue is created by a chemical reaction. When an acid is mixed with a carbonate, they react to form carbon dioxide gas, water and a salt. The bubbles on your tongue are carbon dioxide, and the reaction is sped up because the mixture dissolves in your saliva. The breakdown of citric acid into carbon dioxide is a very important process inside your body, and it's called the Tricarboxylic acid cycle, or the Krebs cycle, which is vital for helping to turn the fuel in our bodies into energy. Sir Hans Krebs worked here at the University of Sheffield, and this discovery won him the Nobel Prize for Medicine and Physiology in 1953. You can even make your own powder, which when added to your favourite flat drink will make it fizzy. The ratios are slightly different. You'll need 5 teaspoons of citric acid, 2 of bicarbonate of soda and 2 of icing sugar. Crush them all together to make a fine powder and add 2 teaspoons of this to your drink of choice. For more edible experiments and the chemistry behind certain foods, check out my other videos and demo sheets.